Hi everyone, it's Mark here again, and today you're going to be learning the fantastic tune Space Oddity by David Bowie. It goes a little something like this. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Just a guide vocal, fencing countdown, engines on. Check ignition and may God's love be with you. So that's the intro part, and then chorus. Ground control to Major Tom. Really made me brave. One F chord there. Tom to ground control, stepping through the door, and I'm floating in the most peculiar way. Stars look very different today. Middle section in the tin can. Tricky chord, nothing I can do. Back to that middle bit again. Strange sound effects after that, and then there is another verse and a chorus part, but yeah, that will be the one. Now there is a little section at the end which I'm going to go over, so it's the part that goes ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead, there's something wrong, can you hear me Major Tom? Can you hear me Major Tom? Can you hear me Major Tom? Can you hear? And then goes back into that kind of middle section part. So I'll cover that as well. All right. So there's quite a lot in the song. I don't think when I heard it for the first time that I actually realised how many different sections that there were to the song. But it's got quite a lot of chords in it. I'm just going to run through the chords that you've got in the song, and then we will actually get on with the strum pattern, etc., etc. All right. So I'm just going to refer to my notes here. So we've got. If you know some of your open chords, then some of these shouldn't be a problem. If you don't know any of the chords that I'm mentioning here, then on my YouTube channel I will have videos on there, and I'll put links below the video here, under there somewhere, indicating where they are on my YouTube channel. Okay, right, let's crack on. So we've got C chord. Actually, let's turn my volume up, that'll probably help. C chord, and there's an E minor chord. There's an A minor chord, there's an A minor 7 chord, there's a D7 chord, let's have a little look through here. There's also an E dominant 7, there's an F major, F minor, and there's an F major 7 in there as well. There's an E minor 7, which is like the E minor but without your fourth string on. There's a B flat. Now there's a couple of variations that you can do. You can do a B flat 5, which is basically a B flat power chord, like that, or you can do a B flat major, which just has that extra note in there, but I'll cover that in the tutorial covering the actual chord. There's an A major in there, you'll all know that one. I think that is it on the chords. Yes, that looks like it. Right, okay, so for the strum pattern, it's pretty much the same throughout the song, but there are slight variations. Okay, so the introduction, it's that down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, it's very Bowie-like. That's kind of what he does. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up. Then you change that E minor, down, down, up, down, up. C again, down, up, down, up, E minor. Then when you change this to A minor, just do 2 downs, A minor 7, 2 downs, then do the same strumming pattern as what you did on the C, so on the D7. Let's do it again, so A minor, 2, 2 on A minor 7, then the same strumming pattern on D7 as what you did on the C. Okay, then back to the start, ground control from Major Tom. Check ignition, may God's love be with you. And then you're into like the chorus part, which is the same strumming pattern again. So C, this is control, E7, F major, F minor. A little tip here actually, if you do an F major normally with your first finger covering just the top 2 strings, in this case if you do it with your first finger covering top 3 strings, it then makes the transition to F minor so much easier because you just take your second finger off like that. Ta-da! Hope you can see that. Okay, pretty cool. Full of handy tips here. Okay, so this is ground control to Major Tom, E7, you really made the F major, and F minor 2 down strums, C 2 down strums, then the same strumming pattern again on F major as what you did on C major at the start. So, okay, I'll just go through that again. So this is ground control to Major Tom, the chorus part. Ground control to Major Tom, made the grade. F minor 2, C2, same strum pattern left, up, down, F minor 2, C2, F major, and then you got the same run round again, but then you're kind of answering that with this is ground control to Major Tom to this is Major Tom to ground control, same thing again. Then we go into this little middle section, which is like, for here I am sitting in a tin can, yeah? I'm really embarrassing myself now, aren't I? But no, it's all good. I embarrass myself for you guys. Right, okay, so for here I am sitting in a tin can. So that's just F major 7, just 1 strum, and then E minor 7, 1 strum again, yeah? I like it like that. I think on the actual record you can probably hear him doing some more strumming on that, but actually I kind of like it. It kind of ties in with the sound more, just to do 1 strum. I am E minor 7, far above the E minor 7. And then after that, we go on that twice. After that we then do a B flat major chord, which is the planet Earth is blue. So B flat major, that's fine. I mean, you can do the bar chord version, which is like this, which is good, or you can just do the B flat 5 power chord version. Either way is good. It still sounds alright, yeah? Okay. Planet Earth is A minor, and there's G, I can F, yeah? Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do. Okay, so that's all good. And then this kind of like, you know, gutsy guitar part, which is like, excuse me, missed it there, didn't I? Okay, all that just needs some muted strings. Try this out. So do a C major chord, strum the chord, and then bring your fingers down here. So then they're actually muting out the strings. So then you just kind of lean back and do that. So you strum it, mute the strings, and then strum it again, and then you should get these dummy notes, what are called dummy notes. Okay, practice that until you can get that nice and clean, and then you move on to the next chord. So it's C, then F, same thing again, strum, and then mute, and then strum again, yeah? And move up to the F chord 2 frets to make it a G chord, rather than changing to a G like the open chord G. It's just easier just to slide the F up. It's good, yeah? And then do 2 down up on this one, on the dummy notes. Okay? C, F, G, and then 2 dummy notes, not quite like that. And then you do an A chord. So you could do a standard A like this, the like staircase one with 3 fingers lined up, yeah? It's actually David Bowie, I've seen him play it, not live on YouTube, but I've seen him play it with his first finger like this. So it's just as good, it's alright. Just got to be careful on this one, make sure that you don't fret the top string, or else you get an A major 6th chord. It sounds like the end of that song Heartbeat. Yeah, okay. But yeah, just don't play it. Okay, so C, F, G, A, C, F, G, A. Okay? Practice that until we get a nice and get those nice kind of funky kind of sounds going on. Excuse me, not like that. And then after that, we then go into the, and it's kind of, I think there's like a saxophone or something going on there. So it's F major 7. Again, 1 strum on each. It's basically like the Here I Am Sitting in a Tin Can part, alright? Ish. F major 7, E minor 7, again it's 1 strum. This time when you do an A, there's going to be an A chord. Do a normal A with the staircase. A, C major, and you do D major, and E major. And weird sound effects which I don't think you can accomplish on a guitar. And then you're going into, let me just scroll down here. Yeah, then we go back into, though I pass 100,000 miles, I'm feeling kinda still. So it's like the chorus section again, yeah? So you just play that again. And then ground control reports to Major Tom. So I'll just play it again. I did play it earlier on, but then I'll just play it again. Okay. Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me? I am floating in a tin can. So you're back into that part. That's just basically a G chord. Ground control to E7. Your A minor's dead. There's A minor 7. Can you D7? Hear me, Major Tom. Can you C major? Major Tom. Can you G major? And then you go into Here I am floating in a tin can. Go into that section again. So that pretty much covers it, guys. Yep, that is Ground Control to Major Tom by David Bowie, or Bowie, depending on, you know, where in the world you are from and how you'd like to pronounce it, but I pronounce it Bowie. Okay, that's pretty cool. Right, mark out for now. Don't forget to visit my website, which is markrandlesome.co.uk. Also, you can like my Facebook channel. Just search for Mark Randlesome Guitar Tuition on Facebook, and you shall find me hopefully at the top. If I'm not, then there's someone else called Mark Randlesome out there. I wonder who that would be. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, mark out for now, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching.